Impossible challenge. Try not to yawn. Seriously, it's harder than you think. Hey world explorers, welcome to the right place to satisfy your hunger for oddities and curiosities. Today, I'm giving you a challenge that's as simple as it is impossible. Don't yawn while watching this video. Yep, you read that right. An action so natural yet contagious that just talking about it will make you want to do it. But beware, we're not just talking about yawns, we're about to dive into one of nature's most fascinating and boring mysteries. Can you last until the end without opening your mouth wide? Well, it's time to find out. But before we start, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like or leave a comment afterward. It'll only take a second, but it would really help the channel grow. Thank you so much for your support. Are you ready? Sit back, relax, but not too much, because this challenge is serious. And, before we start, a little advice: get ready to face rebellious neurons, yawning animals, and theories that will make you doubt everything you know. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet to explore and discover Curious World, do it now so you don't miss out on more impossible challenges and bizarre curiosities. Let's go! Morning, and the first yawn of the day. It's 6 in the morning, the alarm has gone off, and your brain is desperately trying to reboot. You hit the snooze button once, twice, 3 times, and then, like an uncontrollable reflex, yawn. It doesn't matter how hard you try to fight it, your body has decided that the day cannot start without a big deep breath, a wide open mouth, and those half-closed eyes that make you look like a sleepy puppy. But guess what? This is only the beginning. If you think it's easy to stop yawning, well, get ready to change your mind. The vicious cycle of not yawning. Alright, let's get serious. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to avoid yawning when someone else does it in front of you? It's like your body is programmed to copy every yawn it sees, hears, or reads, yes, even now as we're talking about it. It's called mirror neurons, a brain function that forces you to imitate what you see. It doesn't matter if you're in the middle of an important meeting or on a first date, if someone yawns, your brain says, "Hey, I want to do that too." In short, you're doomed. Remember when you're at work and your colleague starts yawning mercilessly? And you're desperately trying not to follow suit because you have that super important meeting with the boss? Well, guess what? It's not your fault, it's all your neurons' fault. Or maybe we should blame the colleague. Either way, resisting is practically impossible. Animals and the mystery of contagious yawning. But it's not just humans who fall into this endless loop of yawns. Animals yawn too, and guess what? They do it for the same reasons. Lions, for example, use yawning as a signal to synchronize themselves. When one lion yawns, soon the whole pride does the same. It's like they're saying, "Hey guys, it's time to wake up and hunt, but first, let's stretch and get a couple of yawns in." Yawning is practically a start button for predators. Can you imagine if we humans did the same? As soon as we wake up, a group yawn and bam, everyone is synchronized for the day. And what about your dog? He's not immune to this magic either. Try sitting in front of your pup and start yawning. Soon enough, he'll follow suit. Not because he's tired, but because, just like us, he's a victim of those mirror neurons. We're all equals in front of a yawn, my friends. The weirdest yawners in the animal kingdom. But it doesn't stop there. Do you know which animals are the biggest yawners? Get ready to be surprised. Elephants, for example, yawn to relax. Yes, these gentle giants open their mouths in a big yawn just like we do when we're stressed. And what about frogs? They yawn too, but unlike us, it's not because they're tired or bored, they seem to do it just for the fun of it. What a twist, huh? Want another example of animal weirdness? cats. No, not your house cat that does whatever it wants, but wild felines like tigers or leopards. They yawn to synchronize with the group, just like lions. Imagine a jungle full of big cats yawning in unison. It's enough to make you sleepy just thinking about it, right? The science behind yawning, or at least, they try. Alright, now let's talk science. What do we really know about yawning? Not much, to be honest. There are a lot of theories, but no real certainties. Some scientists say yawning helps cool the brain. Others believe it's to keep the body awake and ready for action. Some say it helps oxygenate the blood. In short, yawning seems to be a sort of multifunction button for our body, but the exact reason remains a mystery. And you? What do you think? Have you ever noticed how much better you feel after a good yawn? It's like a mini reset for the brain, a little moment of calm that makes us feel strangely satisfied. But then, why are we so embarrassed to yawn in public? Maybe because we associate yawning with boredom or tiredness? But we all know that in reality, it's just the brain doing a bit of stretching. Strange curiosities about yawning. Here's another fun fact. Did you know that even fish yawn? No, it's not a joke. Fish, especially big ones like sharks, yawn to better oxygenate their gills. And guess what? It's just as contagious in the underwater world as it is for us on land. So, if you ever get the chance to see a shark yawning, well, maybe it's time for a nice swim away. Now, the question is, have you managed to resist yawning until this point? If so, congratulations. You're a real hero. But if you've caved, well, don't worry, it's only human. In fact, it's in our very nature. Historical yawns. Did you know that yawning even plays a role in history? It's true. Ancient philosophers like Hippocrates believed yawning was a way to expel harmful humors from the body, a sort of natural purification. It wasn't just a sign of tiredness or boredom, but an important mechanism to maintain physical and mental balance. And what about medieval warriors? Some legends say that soldiers would exchange yawns before a big battle to relax and mentally prepare for the fight. Yawning as a gesture of bravery? Doesn't sound bad, right? Famous yawns in cinema. And what if I told you that even the world of cinema has its famous yawns? Think about comedies. How many times have you seen a character yawn exaggeratedly, followed by the entire group of actors? From boring office scenes to long waits in cars, cinema has used yawning as a symbol of boredom or tiredness for decades. And the audience yawns with them. Maybe it's the cheapest way to create empathy on the big screen. The weirdest yawns in the world. Back to the world's oddities. Did you know that some people have anomalous yawns? That's right. There are individuals who can yawn up to 50 times in an hour, unable to stop. It's a rare condition called excessive yawning. Yes, it really exists, and it's often linked to stress or neurological disorders. Imagine yawning all day, unable to stop. It would almost feel like a divine punishment, right? Maybe after this video, someone will find themselves doing the same. Is there a record for the longest yawn? And to wrap things up, here's a question you're surely asking. Is there a record for the longest yawn? The answer is yes. The current record belongs to someone who kept a single yawn going for a whopping 6 minutes. 6 minutes of pure agony or total relaxation, depending on your point of view. But what do you think? Would you try to break this record? Or maybe you prefer to stay a simple spectator of this fascinating feat. And so, curious friends, we've reached the end of this journey into the mysterious world of yawning. Did you manage to resist? Write it in the comments. And if you yawned, well, admit it, we forgive you. In any case, don't forget to subscribe to the Explore and Discover Curious World channel for more impossible challenges and bizarre curiosities from around the world. And share this video with your friends. Let's see if they can resist yawning. What's the weirdest theory you've heard about why we yawn? Leave a comment below and let us know if you've got an idea that could revolutionize science, or at least make us smile.